This video will explain how to multiply a whole number by a decimal number. Let's say we have 8 times 15 hundredths. I first start with what I know, 8 times 1/10, and that equals 8 tenths. Then I'm going to go 8 times 5 hundredths, and that equals 40 hundredths, or 4 tenths. Now I just add those two numbers together. So 8 tenths plus 4 tenths equals 12 tenths, or 1 2/10. Here's the next example. 5 times 3 and 14 hundredths. If I look at the blue, 5 times 3 is 15, but I also have to multiply it by all the other parts of the number. So in the red, 5 times 1/10 is 5 tenths, and in the black, 5 times 4 hundredths is the same thing as 20 hundredths. I now have to take my 15, my 5 tenths, and my 20 hundredths, or in this case is the same as 2 tenths, and add them together. When I do that, I get a grand total of 15 and 7 tenths. The next example, 4 times 3 and 27 hundredths. I know that 4 times 3 is 12. I know that 4 times 2 tenths is 8 tenths. And I know that 4 times 7 hundredths is 28 hundredths. I now have to add all those numbers together. And when I do, I get a grand total of 13 and 8 hundredths. Don't forget that when we multiply, order doesn't matter. So if it were 3 and 27 hundredths times 4, I would still get the same answer.